Hi, my name is Ariana Daspan, and this is my experimental technology for ISTC 674, the fall semester of 2018. I am a sixth grade math teacher at Golden Ring Middle School in Baltimore County Public Schools. So you'll see that my experimental technology has a greater connection with math. However, I will try to connect it with other subject areas and, in people's personal and professional lives. So my tool is what you see right now. It is Screencast-O-Matic. Now, how do you get to Screencast-O-Matic? I can show you. So I'm going to now move my video to the bottom corner of your screen so that you can see what I'm doing. So again, all I have to do here is go to Screencast-O-Matic, and it should pop up right there for you. And what's great about this feature is I can show you everything that I'm doing on the computer screen. I don't have to go back and forth. The students get to still see me in the bottom corner of the screen. They get to hear me, and they get to see what I'm doing live feed. It is really cool. So you're going to click on the very first link that you see there, and it is completely free. So students can use this, teachers can use this, parents can use this, whoever wants to use this in any professional career. And if you scroll down, you just click Start Recording for free. But because I'm already recording right now, I can't re-record, but you'll see this little black box over here pop up on the bottom of your screen, and you get to choose your options there. You can choose to just have your screen being displayed in your video, or just yourself. So this is basically a glorified video recorder for yourself, or you could do both, which is what I prefer because I don't want to be the center of attention. This is more student centered, so I want them to see, whether I'm showing a video or slides or some type of diagram online. And you can choose the narration, audio settings, computer audio. So if you wanted to show a video on YouTube, for example, while also narrating it yourself, you can have the video audio being shown. So you do need to upgrade for that. However, I would show an example like this, in this YouTube video because some students can't open up YouTube on their devices because it's blocked. However, I can show this through my Screencast-O-Matic video, so it won't be blocked. And in this video, he talks about comparing rational numbers, which is great, but he doesn't show it on a number line. So I would show the video like this, and I would say, after the video, why don't you order your rational numbers from least to greatest on a piece of paper? And the students are watching and they're engaging in the video, but they're also getting extra curriculum and extra instruction with the video along with me. So back to Screencast-O-Matic. It is a great tool that students can use in and outside of the classroom. They can also use it for themselves for presentations if you want to provide more of a UDL lesson where multiple means of representation and expression as well, and engagement. It's very engaging to video yourself and watch other students videoing themselves in their screens. So let's go back to Perkins' article. So Perkins' article talks about the 5 facets of a learning environment. So I consider Screencast-O-Matic more of an information bank because I can show videos, I can show slides, I can teach brand new material, and this can be used kind of as an information bank. I also consider it kind of a task manager because students can be working alongside with me with Screencast-O-Matic, and I can be explaining what you need to be doing right now, and helping them process the information through technology. So I'm going to move the screen here and show you how you can pull up different files, pretty much anything that you want to be seen on the screen you can pull it up. So right now I'm showing you the article. So let's go back to Blackboard. And this is what teachers can do as well. If they're introducing a new project, they can show the project, on the screen with the students and talk about the rubric. If students prefer to read it, they can read it. If they prefer to hear their teacher talk about it, you've got Screencast-O-Matic. So in this article, our professor asked us to talk about several features of our experimental technology. And so I've already talked about the different features of the tool. You can use just web, a web video. You can use just a screen video or a combination. This could include this improves student learning because it allows them to not only listen, but to see and to listen and see at the same time. So I would use this for personal purposes. If I wanted to explain to my mom, who is not as technologically savvy, how to use something on a computer. So I can show her step by step by step how to get to her email, how to open up a different file at work. Um, I could help out, I'm a property manager and I could teach my tenant how to, open up their, air purifier or, change a light bulb if I am out of town and say, hey, open up this link and I can show you how to do it. Um, so there are some limitations and future recommendations for the tool. So the limitations with this is in order to use the audio from videos, you have to upgrade and you have to pay for it. So there's a limitation there. So if you wanted to play a YouTube video, that's great, but the students won't be able to hear it unless you pay for it, which is technically fine because you could also narrate the entire video in a way that best fits your students because not all YouTube videos are perfect for your class and for the needs of your students, and you can create the narration that you need to. Future recommendations for the tool, you can't quite change the size of what you can see on the computer screen when you are videoing. And that's my only limitation there because sometimes I'd like to change my screen. Like for example, right now, I would like my face to go on the whole video right now rather than showing the rubric here, but I can't go back to that. So I wish there was a seamless technology there where I can go back and forth to show my full face and going back to a corner. But all in all, I highly recommend this tool for teachers and professionals and anybody out there because you are communicating not only with your words, but with facial expression and showing the materials that they need all at the same time. I highly recommend Screencast-O-Matic, and I hope you have a great time with it. Thank you so much for listening and have a great